So a lot of people have been a lot of people have been confused with the winrar and the managed.rar thing on my last video. So on my last video I made I didn't really give like how to get the managed.rar and stuff, but this is how. So you're gonna want to go to my Discord server. I'll pin it in the comments below, but it's I will open up Discord right here. And this one. So it's me and my friend's channel or Discord server, and you're gonna want to join this. And then in my gorillatagmod sections, I have 2 mods, but I got Unity Explorer here. These are the important ones. You're gonna want monkey mod manager, winrar, and managed.rar. Because winrar is basically what allows access to .rar files. And then here's 70s camera mod. I don't really use it, but yeah, it's there if you want it. And then so you're gonna want to download managed.rar right here. I will download it just to prove it's not a virus. Boom. See, I just downloaded it, and yeah, winrar right here. Download that. I'll download it too, just to prove. And boom. But you're gonna want to double click on this, press yes, and then it's gonna say all this stuff. It's just terms of service. I don't read the terms of service. You can read it if you want. So you could do this, but I like to just keep it on RAR because it's kind of annoying when it gets on all of my files. So you don't have to, because like sometimes if you download stuff, it'll say allow it with this, and then we'll do it. It's annoying. Okay, and then you could do that. I'm gonna do it because why not? And then press OK. And it says thank you. And press it. Can get out of it. Then you have winrar installed. So then once it's installed, you should go into your files, downloads, and then manage should be activated as winrar and Unity Explorer. So yeah, basically you're gonna want to do also this little file thing right here, this thing. I'm gonna try to add to our, if you don't know, we're making a game. We probably don't know, but I'm making a game with my friend. It's gonna be called Soda Sliders, but I'm bad at making games, so it's gonna take a while, but yeah. Okay, so I have Heroes menu right now, but you're gonna wanna open up Monkey Mod Manager. And then if you wanted to get on your Oculus thing, first you're gonna need the Oculus app installed. So it's gonna load up, and then you're gonna want to install gorillatag, and then you're also gonna want to install, only install gorillatag, and then you're gonna want to click this little dots on here. You're gonna want to, so it's gonna be, just normal. Say it puts you on downloads or something. Click this PC, click Windows C, and then click Program Files. Scroll down to Oculus. Well, double click them. Then you're gonna want to go Software, another Axiom gorillatag, and don't do anything. Just press Open right here, and it should be on your Oculus thing. And then you're gonna want to, well, obviously I already showed it, but yeah, these. Boom. I like to enable Gorilla Cosmetics. All of these, I don't know how to get them working. I don't know if it like puts it on your watch, but because it was kind of broken for me, so I don't know. I just recommend using a mod menu, but like do not use it in publics, or just use it in modded lobbies only, okay? You're gonna want to, okay, so you don't have to go in your game folder. Or no, you do. So yeah, you see all this, I already have it, but you're gonna wanna open up your managed.rar file. So, right here. I'm gonna close that. You're gonna open it up. You're gonna double click on manage. Oh wait, hold up. Okay, you're gonna open up manage, and you're gonna click on this. You're gonna do Control A, or you can do Control A, but do that. Control C, and it should pop up that little screen for a second. You're gonna want to go in your manage section. You're gonna hold on, let me turn up my mic gain a little. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then you're gonna want to click on the empty space and manage. Press Control A, Control V. Wait, and then it will say replace for me because I already have them in there, but it should just put them in there. And boom, you have all these, or you have your stuff that you need to get it working. So now you can just close out of that. So now to install like mod menus, I like to do that first. Do I have anything in BepInX? Okay, I do. I'm going to, okay, I'm going to delete these off. Okay, I already have those. Yeah, okay. And then I'm going to drag my hue menu. I don't know if this is the hue menu has banned simple stuff like kick gun, but I hope not. Okay. Yeah, you're going to exit out of that. Exit out of that, install slash update, and it should be working if I have, so I'm gonna open up I'm gonna do it for Steam really quick, just to see if it works, because I'm pretty sure I did it right. I haven't done it in a while. I think I remember it. I should already have. Yep, okay. Don't worry. Be happy. We can delete this. I said we can delete this. Okay. Now we're gonna go open up Discord. If this video is long, I don't know if it's long, but it's if this video is long, sorry, but yeah, I hate editing, so there we go. Exit of that, install slash update. Okay, now let's hop into gorillatag and see if this works. Yep, I'm still banned. Okay. Yeah, I got banned because I was using a mod menu, and then, oh shoot, hold up. Yep, but they do work. I don't know about yeah, you can see. But I got banned because I was using a mod menu, or I had a mod menu that I was only using mod lobbies, by the way. So don't worry, but I was using, and then it was like very glitchy because I accidentally pressed the mod menu button and I accidentally pressed no clip. I didn't know I was using haunted mod menu so I could disable it, but I didn't know that I didn't disable it when I hopped into a public, and I hate myself because then I accidentally used activate no clip, and then people, because like with the menu that was working, this the iRox cosmetic menu, when you activate no clip, apparently if you activate your mod menu, or if you pull out your mod menu, it's the same button. It's basically the same thing because it automatically just activates a notebook. So yeah, well, that's the end of the video. Bye.